Kali? Yes, what do you want, baby? Oh, they want to see you. They want to see you. Yes. Say hi to them. Are you shy? You don't want to look in a screen? Are you shy? Oh, can you please sit down, baby? Sit down, sit down. Oh, I know. Okay, I know you want attention, right? Okay, just sit down. Just sit down. Mommy will gonna rub Kali. Sit down, baby. Sit down. He is my baby. Yes, my adopted Kali, my adopted son. Yes, we love him very, very much. He is spoiled brat. Kali, sit down, sit down. Go sit. I sit down, follow mommy. Listen to mommy. Mm. Just sit down. Sit down. He wants to play. You know what? You know what? He wants to play. Yes. Okay. Get it away. I mean, oh, so cute. Yes, thank you so much. He wants to play. Come here, come here. Mommy will gonna rub you. Mommy will gonna rub Kali.